Hey y'all, so I want to show you a bow that's a little bit unexpected. So you can actually take mesh and make a bow. These are really great for large projects. You can use it on your mailbox because you know, of course, mesh works fine outside. You can use it on large evergreen wreaths. You can use it at churches on bows, on pews. There's a lot of different things you can do with it. And I think a lot of people don't think to use their mesh as a bow. So I'm going to just show you a quick way that you can use it as a bow. So really and truly, mesh was made to be just like ribbon. So it would be used in gift bags and other floral things. And so you can take your mesh, you can make a tail, just like you make a normal tail, so about 16 inches. And then I'm going to make a loop. Now this loop, you do have to pull out like that. I want to do, so that's about an 8-inch. Let's make it a little bit larger, maybe a 10-inch. Okay, so a 10-inch loop. Got our tail here. Then you just make another 10-inch loop, and to do that you just go from the 20 to the 0, pull it in, okay, just like that. Now just like any ribbon, you can make really cute bows with this. I'm going to take it and put it in my Deco mesh holder while I get my next ribbon out. Okay, just like that. All right, I'm gonna get some red out. Okay, so we did a 16-inch tail. All right, we did a 10-inch loop. This time I want to do, oh, let's go 18. So that'll be a 9-inch. Okay, so 18. Right there, just pulling it in front, pinch it, just like that. There we go. Trim this off. Let's place this in here, just like that. All right, now I'm going to put one more. Okay, 16. This time I want a smaller loop. Let's see, maybe like 6-inch loop. I don't have as much of this mesh, so a 6-inch loop is going to be a little better. There we go. I just have my 2 loops here. So what I want you to realize is that you can make bows out of so many different things. You can make bows out of fabric. You can make bows out of ribbon, of course, out of mesh. You can make bows out of your Deco tubing. It is only limited by your imagination. Okay. So now I will pull these out. I will stack this one right on top. Okay. I want my, whoops, I have this one backwards. Let's fix that. There we go. Now, pull my tails down. This is a very large bow. This is great because if you have something that you really need a very large bow, you can use this and you do not have to spend a fortune on getting a lot of ribbon. These are 10-inch. You can do this with 6-inch mesh as well. So if you like to get things from the Dollar Tree, you can use the Dollar Tree mesh. There we go. Okay, So before I tighten it completely and fluff it out, I want to get my pipe cleaner back there. Okay. And then we'll be able to fluff it a little bit more. There we go. This is an easy, quick bow. Okay. There we go. All right, now we just tighten it really good. And then we just fluff these out. They are progressively layered, so you should be able to layer them and still see them. So when someone talks about a layered bow, what they mean is that the layers are different sizes. That's what layers it. It's like layering on clothing. There we go. All right. There it is. You see how easy and simple and fun that is? Isn't that fun? These look really great on large, especially large evergreens. So if you do large evergreens or you want to offer to do large evergreens, you can put these bows on and they really make a great statement because they're large. You can even stack a bow on top of it. Let's see, do I have any bows in here? I'm sure I do. Yes. So not really the right colors, but you'll get the idea. So you can stack a bow on top of it, and then it gives it an even larger dimension. Okay, and that's a mesh bow. See you in the next one.